Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, just go into Settings and scroll down. Now you need to click on Privacy section over here. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features, like storage. Then select one of your apps, like camera, and click on one of those options. Allow access to media only or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so in this case, I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up and go back. As you can see, after that, camera no longer has access to my device's storage. If you want to, you can always just go back and then select any feature and look for an app that you are interested in. For example, I want to change my permissions for voice recorder, so I will go with microphone, click on voice recorder app, and tap on See All Recorder Permissions instead. Now you can manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!